Well, the snow is just coming down horrendously. I don't know if you can see this or not. This is incredible. We now have over 16 inches of snow. And the birds are just all over the bird feeders out here. This is incredible. 2014. Wow. Everywhere you look outside of the doors, we have snow. Wow, this is incredible. I don't know if you can see this or not. But this is snow coming down. You can hear it hitting. Look at this pile of snow. We have more than 16 inches of snow. This is freaking incredible. This is not supposed to be happening in North Carolina. I ain't gonna be able to go to work for a week. Oh well, such as it is.
Well, Billy got stuck here trying to make it up the last side of just our hill to even get to the big hill. And he has four-wheel drive, and as you can see, yeah, they're turning, they're just spinning. Well, the back one's not now, the front one's spinning.
Watch out.
Needless to say, he ain't going nowhere. Four-wheel drive ain't gonna go in this either, so. Nothing but spin, spin. Ain't gonna happen. Don't spin it too much, don't wanna go off the hill. Straight down into the woods from there if it started sliding, so that's not gonna.
The only thing I can do is dig it out.
Not gonna work.
I'm afraid if I start backing down the hill, I'm gonna have the same problem.
Yeah, I know.
Go off the side of the freaking hill.
Oh boy.
All
right.
At least I got it back and try to get a track up through there.
Well, you're gonna have to get something under them wheels or you ain't going nowhere.
I know.
Yeah, Billy's trying to dig underneath the tires so they might could get a grip, but I don't know. Whoa. It's a lot of snow and it's slick. We do have some fertilizer, ammonium nitrate, and cat litter to try to throw down, but then therein lies the problem of the big hill on the other side. If he gets down it, he ain't gonna get back up. Not today. No way.
The wonders never cease. The neighbors on this side of the hill have scraped their road, but they basically told me fuck you when I asked them if they could do my side of the hill. So that's great neighbor relationship there. There's my wife going all the way down this hill. She's going to check the mailbox and put a couple of letters in. These people up here on this hill here, they scraped it right there. So that's a start. I know I'll be able to get to work tomorrow if I can just get to that point right there. So we'll see what happens. I got to go back and figure out how to get over my side of the hill now. What? Come on, I got you.
Up the hill.
Yeah, that's a pretty steep hill. Okay, I'm going to walk back to where my truck is stuck now. This is the part of the road that our glorious neighbors will not help us out and clean the road. As you can see, they did their driveway and the west side of the hill. Bless you. I expect this is going to A lot of this is going to melt today, so, but at least on the hill going down to number 8 there, I'll be able to get out there if I can just get up to right here. If I can get right here, I can put it in 4-wheel drive and go all the way across that section right there. It's just getting up that last little 20 feet hump right here where we're stuck at.
I have to throw some of that stuff down and let it sort of melt the path.
Well, that's what I'm going to do.
Because we sure ain't going to get the heck out of those assholes.
Nah, well, yeah, they did a wonderful job doing their frickin' driveway. So they're probably sitting down there just laughing at us. Crap on them, that's okay.
Whoa.
Watch out, be careful. Slow down.
Don't walk in the slick rut.
Now I'm going to try to back down the hill. If that truck starts turning sideways, I want you to just get the heck out of the way and whatever happens, happens. Okay?
You need to move that bucket.
Yeah, we'll go down and move the bucket. That's just a freaking amazing. Just got almost to the top here.
That's the way it always is.
See that little hump right there where you're at?
No, you ain't gonna make it.
That's the hard part.
You're gonna have to dig out a trench and put stuff.
All right, come on.
Well, after digging and putting ammonium nitrate down in the tracks, Billy's gonna at least try to back down the hill without sliding off the other side. Our wonderful neighbors, well, he's gonna try to dig a trench to get a running start. Okay. Whoa, slip sliding away. Well, if we can get this to melt. Well, he was able to get turned around. We can make some tracks and throw some ammonium nitrate in it. I just might be able to get out by Monday in a front-wheel drive. Well, here comes Billy. Back down the hill. Still slick as freaking glass. Slow but sure.
Fun part's going to be turning into that driveway.
Yeah, I know. Poor Sue definitely ain't been out on the other side. Looks like he's made it back down. Now we'll let the fertilizer do its trick and see what happens later this afternoon.